before shipment. Factory testing is an important step to confirm machine performance and customer confidence. Today we are testing cosmetic cream production equipment at the home mix factory. This equipment is used for mixing, emulsifying, vacuum aeration, heating, cooling, and discharge. It is suitable for cream lotion, gel serum, and other cosmetic products. Before testing, our engineers check the machine structure, motor direction, sealing condition, electrical connection, and control system to make sure every function works properly. During factory testing, we run the machine with water or test material according to the customer's production needs, checking, mixing, homogenizing, vacuum, heating, and discharge systems. The bottom homogenizer provides high air force to disperse oil phase, water phase, powders, or active ingredients more evenly, helping create a smoother and more stable cream texture. For medium to high viscosity cream, material can stick to the tank wall. The scraper agitator keeps the material moving and improves heating and cooling efficiency. The vacuum system helps reduce bubbles during mixing and emulsifying. Fewer bubbles improve product appearance and support more stable filling and packaging. Operators can adjust mixing speed, homogenizing speed, temperature, vacuum, and working time through the control panel, making daily production easier for customers. After mixing, we also test the discharge process. Smooth discharge helps reduce material residue and improve production efficiency. At Honamix, factory testing is not only about checking if the machine can run, it is also about confirming whether the equipment matches the customer's formula, viscosity, batch size, and production plan. If you plan to produce cream lotion, gel, or serum, send us your product type, viscosity, batch size, and filling requirements.